song. Oh shit.
It's all bullshit.
Alright. We're gonna remember that. Wait. On tape, we're gonna remember the HC 110 is the session from the night before the big fight. The big fight is when Tip got into it with his wife. We'll remember that. We don't need to write it down.
I should have understood it.
Bitch.
Right.
Anyway, this is my song, dog. I love this song. This song is fucking sublime shit. Slow and fast. Yeah, it's recorded. Or that you don't want you just fucking raise the shit, or you don't remember, you know what I mean? You know, hella tapes and fucking all that shit. Just a fucking tape. It's not even a CD player. Anyway. I love this song, bro.
Let's hear it, dude.
This is a fucking... This is one of the only times that you ever hear a song.
A solo what?
No, not a solo. Before it's done, the song isn't even finished yet. There's still...
What's the best way?
There's still some more to go.
You just gotta get started and fucking see what you feel.
But listen to how... Alright, look. The song is like... I don't know if you're gonna feel it or not when I start doing it, but you might. If you do, you see what I'm saying.
If you don't care how I feel, it'll work out.
Nah, I really couldn't give a fuck what I'm recording right now.
You gotta get how to feel going.
The whole purpose of you even hearing this shit is because I want you to hear it. But I'm gonna be recording it anyway, so you know what I'm saying? If you like it or not, right? Exactly. But at the same time, I don't give a fuck if you like it or not. I'm recording it, so that's the only purpose. You liking it is a plus, you feel me? Anyway. Han, shut up!
Han, shut up!
Shut up!
Oh, yes.
Alright, from the top. Baseline.